Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. So in this video we are going to learn some of the associated commands which we are going to use while working with directories. So the first command that we're going to learn is mkdir, which means to make directories. So in order to make directories, what I have to do is just type in mkdir followed by any directory name, for example sample1. So to see, we use ls command, which is used to list thing. So we have sample1 created now. Now if we want to make directories in a sequence, for example I want to create sample directory, say sample1, and within sample1 I want to create another directory called sample2, and within sample2 I want to create another directory called sample3. So how to do this kind of thing? So we can use the same mkdir followed by -p in the sequence that you want to create. For example, say sample, and within sample I want to create a subfolder which is a sub sample, and then within subsample I want to create another folder called sub sample1. So if we do ls, so we have sample1 sample over here is created, and let's get inside the sample. We use cd command to change directories. So we want to go into sample to check whether this subsample and subsample1 directories has been created or not. So we go to sample, we listing over here, we have subsample created, yes. Then we go inside the subsample to see whether subsample is created or not. So we use ls, yes, subsample1 is created. So in this way you can use, if you want to use a sequence of folders. Okay, now we are in subsample directories. If we want to go back one step to the parent directories of subsample, we use cd dot dot command to go one step back to the parent directories. If you want, we use cd dot dot, yes. So we are in the one step back, so we are in this folder now. Okay, now in order to know in which directory I am working with, we have a special command called pwd, or it's called print working directories. So it will give you where you are presently working now. So if I do pwd and hit enter, which shows that I am in home within MD, and within MD I'm in freelance training folder. Okay, cool. Now say for example, so we do ls. So we saw that we have three directories available: directory 1, sample, and sample1. Now if you want to list this thing, if you want to know more detail about it, we can use ls space -l for more detail about it. So we can see over here the time when these directories were created and their size and other information like who owned these folders. Okay, now you can see over here the size is in it's not in human readable format, this 4096. Now if you want to list this size in human readable format, we will use the same command except that with h for human readability. So now it shows the above thing, but it is more human readable, like 4 KB or something like that. Okay, let's clear it out. Now that we know, we learn mkdir for making directories, cd to change directories, ls to listen, pwd to print working directories. One more command that we will learn is rmdir, which is basically used to remove directories if we want to remove any directories. So we have directory, say sample1. If you want to delete this directory, what we do is just type rmdir followed by the directory name. So let's see once again. Yes, so sample1 is deleted. So I hope in this video you already learned how to deal with directories. In any case, if you don't understand any of the thing, you can leave me a comment in the comment section. So thank you, see you in the next video.